Ambient scenting can have positive impacts, but you might be worried it won't be effective with your large building and severe odor problems. Keep watching this video for a potential solution. Today, let's talk about the Fragrance Central, an ambient scenting system for large facilities that will make the atmosphere in your facility more pleasant and eliminate foul odors. Let's start with the basics. What is the State Fragrance Central? A Fragrance Central unit is an ambient scenting system that provides invisible aromatic coverage to virtually any space. It's HVAC compatible to effectively scent or address odor problems in every part of your facility. The Fragrance Central utilizes cold air diffusion and customizable settings to fill spaces of 150,000 to 750,000 plus cubic feet. The Fragrance Central will also utilize State's SE500 odor eliminator to eliminate malodors themselves rather than simply masking them like a store-bought aerosol can would. Who is a good fit for the Fragrance Central? The Fragrance Central will be the best fit for large facilities like apartment buildings and hotels, event and convention centers, retail centers, government and municipal buildings, even stadiums and more. Facilities with trash rooms that emit foul odors should consider investing in the Fragrance Central, as the Fragrance Central can be bundled with other items to sustain a cleaner trash room and prevent odors from creeping out into the rest of the facility. Those with allergies or sensitivities to strong smells are good fits for the Fragrance Central, as certain scents have no known allergens, are VOC and IFRA compliant, and the system's strength can be customized to your needs. Who is not a good fit for the Fragrance Central? If your facility is less than 150,000 cubic feet, check out another system like the Fragrance Cube 2.6, Cube 615, or another alternative. For those with multiple air handlers that address different parts of your building, the Fragrance Central in the HVAC system may not be the best solution for your facility, and multiple smaller systems may be more effective. Your concern may be budgeting, but it's important to consider the effect that ambient scenting has on visitors and weigh that against the cost. Be sure to work with your state chemical representative to determine the most cost-effective, long-term solution for your facility. When and why do I need the Fragrance Central? Research shows that those who are exposed to ambient fragrance are bound to have more positive thoughts about brands, products, and storefronts. They're also more likely to linger longer and return in the future. This means that carefully choosing the correct scent in your facility is important and will enhance the mood and increase customer satisfaction. For example, some smells can lessen anxiety or discomfort, while foul odors can provoke negative responses. Take a moment and consider how scenting could benefit your facility and provide a better, cleaner workplace for those who utilize it. How do I use a Fragrance Central unit? The Fragrance Central unit is easily programmable, but you won't have to worry about programming or servicing the system, as your state chemical representative will install the dispenser, refill the system with regular documented service, and adjust the output to you and your facility's specific needs. You are only responsible for paying for the contract and reaping the benefits of ambient scenting and odor elimination. How much does a Fragrance Central cost? You can expect air care agreements that include the Fragrance Central to cost around this amount per month, and air care agreements last for 1 year. Prices can vary depending on things like location, severity of the problem, and more. And air care contracts are very customizable to address the problems that you have in your specific facility. How do I buy the Fragrance Central? Now that you're an expert on an effective ambient scenting system, it's time to act. Visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get in contact with a representative. To learn more, check out the Learning Center on our website for tips on keeping your facility clean and well maintained.